dive into the voice of a generation, exploring Christina Aguilera's musical journey. Start with the resounding echo of Christina Aguilera's unmistakable high note. Ever wondered how she mastered such a phenomenal vocal range? Her journey to vocal supremacy is as intriguing as her melodies, a testament to her dedication and raw talent. Christina's path to stardom began in her early years, appearing on Star Search and growing up in a musically inclined family. This environment nurtured her talents, providing a foundation that would support her through the rigorous demands of a music career. Her real breakthrough came with the Mickey Mouse Club, where she honed her skills alongside other future stars. This platform was crucial in transitioning from a child prodigy to a global pop sensation, setting the stage for her meteoric rise. The release of Genie in a Bottle catapulted Christina into the limelight of the late 90s pop scene. The song became an anthem of the era, showcasing her powerful voice and ability to captivate audiences worldwide. With her album Stripped, Christina not only pushed the boundaries of her vocal abilities, but also embraced a deeper level of artistic expression. The techniques she employed in this chart-topping album highlighted her growth as both a vocalist and a performer. Christina Aguilera's anthem, Beautiful, resonates deeply with its powerful message of self-acceptance and empowerment. Its cultural and feminist themes challenge societal norms, encouraging listeners to embrace their true selves, which has made it an enduring symbol of confidence and inner strength. Back to Basics, Christina's homage to the golden era of jazz, showcases her versatility and deep appreciation for the 1920s to 40s music styles. This album not only highlighted her vocal prowess, but also her ability to reinvent herself artistically, blending contemporary sounds with classic influences. Her performance at the 2003 MTV VMAs remains one of the most talked-about moments in pop culture. Joining forces with Madonna and Britney Spears, Christina Aguilera helped create a spectacle that is still celebrated for its boldness and its breaking of entertainment taboos. Christina Aguilera's collaborations span across genres, illustrating her adaptability and broad musical range. Working with artists like Andrea Bocelli and Lil' Kim, she has not only showcased her versatility, but also her ability to connect with diverse audiences through different musical styles. As a coach on The Voice, Christina Aguilera has had a profound impact on aspiring singers, offering them not just technical vocal training, but also insights into the music industry. Her guidance has helped many young artists find their voice and confidence on a global stage. Christina Aguilera's live performances are a spectacle of raw emotion and vocal prowess. Her ability to connect with the audience, whether it's through a heartfelt ballad or a powerful anthem, makes every show unforgettable. She truly embodies the spirit of a live performer. Her philanthropic work extends beyond her music. As an ambassador for the World Food Program, Christina has dedicated significant efforts towards fighting global hunger. This aspect of her career highlights her compassion and commitment to making a positive impact in the world. Christina Aguilera has been a vocal advocate for feminist and LGBTQ rights, themes often reflected in her music. Her song, Beautiful, became an anthem for self-acceptance and has been embraced by diverse communities for its empowering message. The jazz-infused Back to Basics album marked Christina's exploration into the music of the 1920s to 1940s, showcasing her versatility and deep appreciation for different musical eras. This project was both a critical and commercial success, further cementing her status in the music industry. Her memorable performance with Madonna and Britney Spears at the 2003 MTV VMAs remains iconic, highlighting her ability to remain at the forefront of pop culture. This collaboration was not just a media sensation, but a demonstration of her dynamism as a performer. Christina Aguilera stepped into the acting world with her role in Burlesque, showcasing her versatile talents. Her performance alongside Cher highlighted her dynamic presence, blending her singing prowess with theatrical flair and marking a significant moment in her career evolution. Exploring her Latin roots, Christina released Mi Reflejo, a Spanish-language album that paid homage to her heritage. This album not only broadened her audience, but also deepened her artistic identity, reflecting her ability to connect with her cultural background through music. With her album Liberation, Christina Aguilera ventured into new musical territories, embracing more experimental sounds. This project represented her continuous evolution as an artist, unafraid to redefine her music and challenge existing norms in the industry. Her electrifying performance at the Super Bowl showcased Christina's ability to captivate large audiences. Performing at such a prestigious event demonstrated her skill in delivering powerful vocals and her capability to handle the pressure of a globally televised performance. Christina has not only been a performer, but also a creator behind the scenes, actively participating in the songwriting and production of her music. Her involvement ensures that each song authentically represents her vision and continues to resonate with fans worldwide. Christina Aguilera has consistently pushed the boundaries of fashion, using her music videos as a canvas to tell complex stories. Her bold choices often complement the themes of her songs, making each video a multifaceted artistic statement that resonates with fans. Fan testimonials frequently highlight how Christina's powerful messages and personal struggles within her music have profoundly impacted their lives. These stories underscore her role not just as a performer, but as a source of inspiration and empowerment for her audience. Throughout her career, Christina Aguilera has garnered numerous awards, including multiple Grammy wins. These accolades not only celebrate her vocal talents and innovative music, but also her ability to remain relevant and influential in the ever-evolving music industry. Christina's resilience is perhaps most visible in her comeback moments, navigating through personal and professional challenges to re-establish her position in the music world. Her ability to reinvent herself artistically has kept her in the spotlight and endeared her to a new generation of fans. Her recent endeavors, such as her Las Vegas residency, showcase Christina's enduring appeal and her ability to draw crowds with her powerhouse vocals and dynamic performances. This residency not only highlights her iconic status, but also her continued relevance in the music industry. Christina Aguilera's role as a mother has deeply influenced her music and public persona. Balancing her career with parenting, she often reflects on how motherhood has enriched her emotional depth, bringing a new level of authenticity to her performances and songwriting. In addition to her illustrious singing career, Christina Aguilera has been actively involved in music education. She supports various music therapy initiatives, using her platform to promote the healing powers of music. Her contributions aim to enrich the lives of others through the art she loves. Christina's love for cooking and her collection of vintage clothes are just a few facets that make her relatable to fans. These interests add layers to her public image, showcasing a side that goes beyond her music and stage performances. Christina Aguilera's enduring relevance in the music industry is a testament to her ability to evolve artistically while staying true to her roots. Her continual reinvention keeps her music fresh and exciting for a diverse audience, spanning generations. To learn more about Christina Aguilera's transformative journey and her impact on music and culture, viewers are encouraged to subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel. This channel provides insightful content on beloved artists, enhancing fans' appreciation of music history and innovation.